Spring brings a fresh energy to Sun Moon Lake. The air is crisp, the skies are clear, and blossoms paint the landscape in soft, gentle colors. Riding the cable car above the lake feels like floating through a painting. Cherry blossoms blooming below, mountains standing still in the distance. I've always dreamed of seeing cherry blossoms in full bloom, and today, that dream came true. Thank God for answering that little prayer in my heart. I wandered through quiet traditional villages, felt the breeze, heard laughter from the nearby amusement rides, and just smiled. Sun Moon Lake in spring is pure joy, peaceful, playful, and unforgettable. Like and subscribe!